Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and here we are. It is Pantry Cooking for Two Tuesday, and I am going to be not making a dinner. I'm going to be making lunch. I realized I never really make lunch that you guys get to see, so I decided to do that today. So what I have from my pantry, and I've got this small jar of chicken ugly chicken that I canned, and the broth, I'm going to pour that out and give that to Snickers as a little treat. The other thing I have is some of the cowboy candy, the carnival candy that Lisa and I made where we used the different peppers. I've got some dressing. You could use mayonnaise. I've got some pecans chopped up, some cranberries, some grapes, and some celery. So this isn't going to be your traditional kind of chicken salad. It's going to be a little bit different, and I like it when it's got little fruit. Actually, it reminds me of one that Arby's used to sell. Maybe they still do. I don't even know. But I'm going to give that to Snickers. He will be happy. So there's that. So now I'm just going to take the chicken and put it in here, and I'm going to break it up. And now I've used this in the chicken, so I need to go get something for this. Hang on. Okay. Now I'm just going to add, I could add mustard, but I don't feel like it because I've got these, and that's going to add a lot of flavor. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the dressing in there, or the mayonnaise if you're using mayonnaise. And then I'm going to do this as a wrap. So you could put anything else you want with it, you know, to make it even more better. But I like breaking it up. Now another thing you could do, which I might do for you one day, is instead of making it like this kind of a salad, you could also put this in like a food processor and process it down so it's basically a meat spread. And that works really good. I like doing that. I like doing that particularly with beef. Now I'm going to put in the cranberries and the pecans and the celery and the grapes. And then I'm going to put in a few of these. These have been in my fridge. They're so good. Okay. A couple of these more. Be good. There we go. So yummy. Okay. And now I'm just going to mix that up. This is going to be good. Oh, it's so good. And if I can get my celery seed real quick, I would sprinkle a little. There it is. Caraway. That's caraway. Hang on. I'm looking to see if I can get my celery seed. I would put a little bit of celery seed on there, but I can't find it. That's why I'm redoing my whole pantry. Because, oh, poppy seeds. That sounds good. We'll put some of that in there. A little bit of poppy seed. Sounds good. Perfect. But I've been working on the mixes over here. I've got all my stuff out for the mixes. Okay. That's going to be just perfect. I want to get those little pieces of peppers mixed all in there nice. Might actually put a little bit more of those in. That looks good. It's so good. I love this stuff. And it's really good. You could just put this on the side. It's good on top of a deviled egg. Hang on, let me get this on there. There we go. Okay. Looks good. Now, I'm going to put some out here on the plate. This is mine. I don't want a really big one. There we go. Gonna be good. There we go. Give the rest of this to Brian. Okay, I'm gonna finish this up and give this to Brian. A little bit more for me. So this just makes it a little bit different than your classic, you know, chicken salad. So I'm gonna fold this one up here. that in. Oh, stay over there. There. Maybe I have to turn it over to keep it. There we go. I'm just going to make mine like a burrito because it's a little bit smaller. I don't need to. There we go. And now I've got some apple for us. And I thought we'd finish off the chips. Brian can finish the chips. I don't need the chips, but Brian can finish the chips. And so, there you have, there we go. Finished up. Used my pantry chicken, and I made a really good chicken wrap for lunch. So that's just using my home canned chicken. Really makes a nice lunch, and you could add anything in there. You could make it traditional with a little mustard and that kind of stuff, but I kind of like this. So there you have it, and I hope you guys are enjoying my Pantry Cooking for Two Tuesday videos, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.